I'm Myles and this is Madeleine and our business is LayerTree.
And with LayerTree, our aim is to try and offer an alternative to mass-produced items that are high quality but affordable. And the way in which we manage to achieve that as a two-person business is by specialising in the technique of steam bending. So steam bending is an ecological, low-waste, efficient way of working with wood. We started on Etsy in 2013, just selling our coat hooks to start off with, and we slowly built up from there.
Back in 2016, we had contact through Etsy of a lady that lives in Australia, and she had lived in Suffolk all her life and she migrated out there.
She grew up in Suffolk as a child and she had found us, hadn't she?
Yeah.
And loved the products. And then when she discovered that we made everything in Suffolk, the wood came from sort of as locally as we could get it, she was so excited.
Yeah.
I think keeping commerce human to us means making everything with our two hands. Every single item that we work on that comes through our workshop, we have been involved with the entire process of it, and I think that's really special.